to Disney this day, I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 2010, the Silly Symphony Swings opened at Disney California Adventure. It's themed to the 1935 Mickey Mouse short, The Band Concert, which, well, was not actually part of the Silly Symphony series. Following the plot of the short, a tornado arises that spins guests to either the William Tell Overture or William Tell's Storm. The swings replace the opening day attraction, the Orange Stinger. The ride system is known as a wave swinger. Have you been on it? Did you love it? I'm worried it'd mess up my hair. Anyway, have a magical day.